Hi everyone! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make bulgogi. This bulgogi is so easy to make and doesn't require many ingredients. It's so flavorful, juicy, and slightly sweet, so you will love this recipe. Let's get started. First, soak the glass noodle in cold water for at least 1 hour. And we're gonna make the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, a little bit of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and mix it well. This is thinly sliced beef. Most Korean market sells this sort of beef for bulgogi. Add the sauce we just made and marinate it for 30 minutes. Now cut the vegetables. Thirty minutes later, place the pan on high heat and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add marinated beef and all the vegetables. Now stir fry it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add a half a cup of water and add a glass noodle. Lastly, stir fry it for about 3 minutes more. That's it! Enjoy!